Hi, Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. Today with a video walkthrough on the gorgeous 2020 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. This boat is Sea Ray blue in hull color, white bottom, powered by a 250 horse Mercury Verado V8 4-stroke outboard. Very smooth and refined performance. This motor pairs up perfectly with this hull. See the very spacious swim platform. But one great innovative feature on this boat is this module actually slides forward to give you more entertaining space if you're anchored up for a day at the beach. So moving next to us, same model, but we slid that module forward and you can see the additional room it creates on the swim platform. Nice L-shaped seating. Cooler is revealed under there, so you don't have to go all the way in the cockpit for a beverage. Storage under all the seats on the port side, as well as a removable igloo cooler on the starboard side. Entering the cockpit, battery switch is conveniently located. Gorgeous blue LED accent lighting. We do have flipping backrest, so you can lounge forward or aft facing. Moving up to the helm, you'll see the 9-inch digital dash by Simrad. This is going to be your engine data as well as monthly function display, so chart plotter, depth finder as well. Fusion stereo and speakers. And with the revised configuration passing through onto the bow to the port side, we actually were able to expand the space for the head. So very spacious head, easy to get into, tons of storage. And moving up to the bow, we'll see more LED accent lighting, fore and aft facing seating, removable igloo cooler in the bow as well, and cup holders and charging terminals for your devices. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. You can be reached at 813-503-2649, so give us a call. Come on down and see this boat or any other of our in-stock inventory options in our indoor showroom, or give us a call, set up a demo today. I can reach at 813-503-2649. Thanks, hope to see you soon.